I have fridge freezer beko and stop freezing and showing E4. I am buy new filter as well. Bad on freezer still show on display error 4 and is already 2 days on defrost. Thanks for quick answer.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. E4 error code is a defrost heater fault. This can be either the defrost heater itself or the control board. What you need to do on this is empty the freezer completely and remove the back cover. You will need to remove the ice maker unit as well at the top if your model has it. Once the panel is removed, you will see the evaporator. If this is covered in ice, you need to melt it with a hairdryer. Then wrapped around this you will see the defrost heater. You need to follow the wires to the top and then test the heater with a multimeter for continuity. If faulty, then you need to replace the heater. But if the heater is fine, then the control board on the top of the appliance will be faulty and will need to be replaced. So check them out and see what you find. But for the E4 error code, it's either the defrost heater or the control board here. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.